Welcome to GSM Solution. Today I teach you, this is Huawei brand. Today I teach you how to charging fault solution, how to repair charging problem. Okay, look at here. Now phone on. See. Okay, battery low. I have a charger. Look, input charger but not response. Charger okay, but after connect the charger, phone no response. See. Okay, now open the phone. Remove SIM card and memory card. Okay, now remove. Then remove pin. Look at here available many pin. And first replace the charging connector. Okay, let's go see. Now open my Huawei phone Y520-U22. Okay, you need this screwdriver, then you need like this. Okay, now remove all pin. You need help tweezer. Remove all pin. Okay, now remove all pin. Done. Then now I am using this tool. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, now assemble. Done. Okay, then here is charging connector. Now remove all part. First remove display, this display, then remove torch, remove, here is pin, first open it, okay, there no more pin, now this is display and touch, okay. This is Huawei Y520-U22, I mean Huawei Y5C. Look at here, this phone shows charging problem, okay. First check this charging connector. First you need to check help. This is multimeter and just 22 I selected 22 DC voltage checking you use, okay. Now I have charger, okay. Now I am connect to phone, okay. Let's me check this minus this plus, here voltage show maximum voltage, minimum 2.0, maximum 5 point below, okay. Now show 0.07, okay. Charging not response, then first change this charging connector and first change charging connector, okay. Remove, okay. Now assemble, this is camera, first remove, then other part check, okay. Now no need other, okay. First remove this charging connector, okay. I show you how to remove this charging connector, okay. Now I am use this for down press. You need to some paste, this is paste, you need to some paste, then you need a hot gun, okay. This is a hot gun, okay. Now I am using first and now use this paste, then use a hot gun, see, after 2 seconds your charging connector is normally removed. Now look at here, most important part, they are available 5 buttons, charging and USB. Way there 5 way available. Most imported. There are 5 pointer shape. Okay, now charging connector remove normally. Okay, now I am exchange other new. Okay, see, I have new same charging connector. This is old charging connector. Okay, okay, now I am replace new charging connector. Just put here and now I am used now I am use. This is iron, soldering iron. Okay, now I am use soldering iron. Okay, see. Okay, friend. Okay, friend, this is a liquid paste. I am use this paste. Now here all part use this paste. Okay, now first this is iron. I am using charging connector set to use iron just here and first fix this point, use iron. Okay, see video, like video, see video, and I teach you. Okay, now see, fix charging connector to soldering iron. Now most important, there available 5 points of charging and USB pinout. Most important, there are available 5 line is no short. Okay, now I am soldering this 5 points. Using iron. Okay, Okay, now I am again use liquid paste. Okay, now I am fix charging connector 5 pin no short, and okay, now check it. Now I am fix. Okay, fix problem done. Okay, look at here, charging connector replaced done using by soldering iron. Okay, now connecting charger. Okay, now check multimeter, select 20 DC voltage and check. Okay, now select plus to minus. Okay, see on multimeter. Not so charging. Okay, now check here what is problem. Okay, this is GND and plus. See, here is problem. See, multimeter show 2.78 voltage. Then this charging connector is okay, and voltage available here now. Done. Look at here. See, voltage available here. Then first check what is problem. Ground okay. Look at here. This is not a ground. This is a ground problem maybe. Okay, now I am select 20 volt and okay, here is plus point. Select here. Now I am trying to check what is problem. This is GND. Okay, see, this is the problem. See, this is a problem. Plus point okay. Look at here, plus point okay. Here plus point okay. Ground not okay. Now jumper ground point. Okay, remove this and try to soldering again, because GND, I mean ground point, not work now. Okay, now jump up. Again I check. Okay. Okay, this is plus and this is minus. See here, DC meter show 4.1617 volt. Now phone charging done. Okay, now assemble phone. Okay, see here is display. Now I am assemble this set. Okay, now I am fix one pin here. Okay, first I assemble. This is touch. Now assemble. This is volume key and power button, and now this is a display connector. Okay, now fix. Oh, look at here a available camera. Now assemble at last camera. Okay, now camera assemble done. Okay, now here is back cover. Okay, now I am fix it. Okay, assemble done. Okay, now put battery. Oh, sorry. Okay, assemble done. Now put battery and open phone. Okay, now phone is alive. Okay, now connect. See, here phone is charging. So okay, now problem solved. Look at here show charging 12%. Okay, thanks for watching video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.